This here is what it looks like when you install an inner tube on the wrong side. And the daggone valve stem flies in there when you're airing it up. It's a good thing they sent me 2 of them, boys. Hate to do it. Let's start over. But learning progress. Okay, we got the old inner tube out. I had to basically just cut it out. Alright, let's try to get the new one in there. Let's try this side. Is this excessive? Yes, it is. Hopefully this one will stay in there forever, so I really don't care. This is some old WD-40 anyhow. Yeah, boys. Okay, this time I need to actually do it right. There's the valve stem. I'm just gonna try to monkey it in there, you know what I'm saying? This WD-40 super lubricant. I heard that they used them on spaceships. I don't know. Maybe it was aircrafts. I can't remember. But I got the blue ring outside this time, because see, that's what I did wrong last time, is I saw other people say that the blue ring goes down in most situations, but I don't think, I honestly think this one was made to be at the top. You know what I mean? Like the outer. So that's what makes me think that that's what it was, how it's supposed to go in. Okay, don't let go in that. Get that over. Be nice. These are some really old, worn out tires. I'm sure you probably can't do this with everything. I realize that. If you had some like newer tires, these tires probably as old as this machine. My hands are super slick. Really need 2 people doing this, to be honest with you. Just because of the way mine's all set up. Let's see if I can get this. God willing. Really don't want to lose that valve stem. I don't have one of those twisty thingies. Okay. I got this. There we go. There we go! Holy cow! Yeah, I would recommend for you to go like ask a friend or your wife or whatever to come help you, because doing it by yourself is not so fun. Oh, okay. Maybe it'll stay, I don't know. Oh gosh. It's so intimidating because last time I did this, it shot in. I hear it like moving on the inside. Okay, that's like a good 10, 15 pounds. So I think that did it, honestly. What do I know? I'm just a dumb redneck. Just by the grace of God. You know what? Well, it's seated. It's inflated pretty well. I mean, good gracious. Honestly, didn't expect that. See, this one still got the if it's stupid but it works, then it's not stupid. Pretty cool. Talking about, boys.